Okay, we're at some building right across from Grand Central Mall. I have a feeling this place has an elevator. Since I'm over here, I kind of want to check. We do have an elevator. Looks like an Otis. It's one of the interesting clicky Otis buttons. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is a first for me. It's a Series M1. Holy crap. West Virginia elevator. This is incredibly rare. There's your phone. Glad I stopped in here then. There's your certificate, 2,500 pound capacity. This is 417 Grand Park Drive here in Parkersburg. Go back up to 2. One more round trip. I think that West Virginia elevator label looks cool. Door close button works. There's where the lantern used to be. Yeah, no, this is very uncommon, so I'm glad I found this. PM Center. That would be it.